Hello, today I will be showing you how to put together Arabistis Starter Raspberry Pi 4. So included with this kit, you get a motherboard with 4 GB of RAM, a manual, a 32 GB SD card with your OS on it, power cord, a case, 2 mini HDMI to HDMI 2.0, and a little bag of heat sinks, a cooler fan, and a Type-C to card reader adapter. Alright, I went ahead and unpackaged everything. The first step is to open up your case. So you just gotta push it in, push the bottom part like so, squeeze it like that, and then it'll pop open. You'll get 2 bags, one bag containing screws for the fan and one containing screws for the motherboard. Comes included with a screwdriver, so don't have to worry about that. Now, you can take the motherboard, like so, and there's a little slot right there where you push it in like that, and then you pop it in until you hear a click. Simply slide it over so that the ports fit into the holes. Once that is done, you simply take your bag labeled Raspberry Pi board. It's hard to see there. You take that bag and you screw in the motherboard. Make sure you do not do it too tight. They do not need to be super snug. You do not want to damage the components. We have one remaining screw. As simple as that. Next, we want to take our SD card and place it into the motherboard. That's what it's going to look like. And then you want to look for this side. There's going to be a little slot. You want to make sure the red and the gray side are down. And you want to place the SD card in so that it evenly pushes in all the way. Next, we want to find our heat sinks, put them on. So let me just look a little bit around here. The heat sinks come in a little bag like so. You must remove the white layer on the back to reveal the sticky surface. Like so. The large, heavy copper square heatsink goes on the CPU. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to be placed securely on. Simply push it on, and it will not move from that spot. Next is the biggest of the two aluminum heat sinks. This is going to go on our RAM module. So we just want to peel this back off. Really is quite easy, and we want to place it on to our RAM chip, making sure that we aren't touching any of our capacitors on the board. Last but not least is our little aluminum heatsink to go on our chipset. So we want to just place it right on there. It goes on, there's two black squares right here above the RAM module. It's the biggest one. Doesn't matter which way you put it, just needs to be put on there. Next I will be showing you how to install the fan. So you want to make sure you take the fan blade side and put it down onto the 4 standoffs on the top plate of the case. Then you simply remove the screws from the bag and screw it in place. So we want to take our 4 screws. Now we also want to be very, very gentle with this. Take your screws, put them in there. Alright, once you get the last screw in there, you want to Alright, now that we've done the last screw, we're going to hold our computer up like this. Make sure that the raspberry's at the very top. And then you want to take the red colored cable and place it in on the first slot. And then take our black colored cable, place it to the right one, down 3 from the top. It's supposed to be on the 3rd one, and it should look somewhat like that. You see that? And that is pretty much it. Now you just want to place the case back where it fits, and you should be able to hook up your power, which is this Type-C port. That's your power, and a micro HDMI to HDMI. And you should be able to boot it up. It will simply just power on. There's no power button or anything. And that's it. Thank you for watching.